Alright, Ireland finished his first lit sign, electric sign. Lit. He's done a few. This is his first electric with his mentors, Greg and Tim. Mostly Tim. And he's pretty excited about it. So this is the very first. He's been with us now 6 months as a union sign fabricator. And this is his first one that he's done all the welding, everything on it. So pretty exciting stuff. This is a 3/4 inch push through top with a plex back with 129 purple vinyl. I actually set up and routed all these files myself too, so it's kind of cool that we're both part of this sign, along with Tim and Greg also. But this is just one of many that he's going to be doing over the years. So pretty exciting stuff, huh? On the scale of 1 to 10, how proud are you of yourself?
I think a 9.
9? Pretty good. I'm a 10.
9, 10.
I'm proud of you. Ireland's worked very hard. But he's done many signs, but this is the first start to finish electric sign that Tim and Greg has helped him. So it's pretty awesome, man. Looks cool. I like it. Give me a thumbs up for a picture. Cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. Ireland's first time. See ya.